Hi, Roy Maddox here from SolarKing. Today we're on the roof of Graphic Packaging in Auckland, where we've just installed 1,400 solar panels. Now, Vector have advised us that this is the second largest installation of a commercial solar system in the entire Vector network region. This solar installation is going to generate 800,000 kilowatt hours a year for Graphic Packaging, which will offset about a third of their power use off their own roof. This installation has been made possible thanks to Utilise Energy. Now, Utilise is a dedicated power company that installs solar systems such as the one you're looking at on commercial roofs and premises, sells the power at a discount to the client under the roof. So Graphic Packaging are benefiting from a long-term reduced power cost. They're also saving 80 tonnes of CO2 a year. This system is on the roof for over 20 years. Graphic Packaging are now able to say to their stakeholders, their international partners, and all of their customers that they are doing the right thing for New Zealand. Thank you, Graphic Packaging. So we've been on the roof and seen the 1,400 panels. Here's the inverter room. This is the brains of the operation. This is the system that runs those panels. Have a look here. Here we have 6 SunGrow 110 kilowatt inverters and all of the switch gear that goes along with them. This gives you some idea of the complexity of a system of this size. So each inverter has its own inverter box, its own main switches, all its controls. We've got grid protection equipment in here. This is the heart of the system. So without this, the panels wouldn't work. So there you go. We've seen the 1,400 panels. We've seen the control room, all the inverters. That's it for us today. What a fantastic installation by SolarKing and for Graphic Packaging Auckland. Thank you again.